my name is Paweł Zarzycki. I'm co-creator of this little guy. We are super proud today that finally we make it happen. And today is like great premiere of this robot toy. KODI has plenty of features. We're still working on it, but it can recognize faces, recognize objects, recognize music, can speak, can talk, can understand what the kid is saying to him.
My name is Anna and I'm a cognitive scientist and researcher from University of Warsaw. May particularly help children with some disorders like autism spectrum disorders or hyperactivity. Oh, we can actually perform some scenarios for these situations to provide some particular exercises for children with these disorders, to train with them, to play with them, and to learn them some interactions.
Hi, I'm Greg. I'm a robotics engineer. I love KODI because he's great with children.
I'm Sujindran, so I'm the AI and robotics specialist for the team. So I've been developing the KODI to talk and see stuff, how it reacts to what changes in the environment. And like, it hasn't been easy, but I like how it's going, and KODI is like a good companion for me. Right now it's like a friend to meet.
KODI has been just presented. And now we are ready to finally launch our crowdfunding campaign. It's going to be this week on Indiegogo, so keep your finger crossed, and KODI is going to be available very soon.